Hello, everyone. This is David Lewis with your tip of the week. And my tip this week has to do with who you hang out with at the dealership. Did you know that the people around you have access to your mind and influence the choices you make every day? Or that many of the greatest potential success stories were never realized because of the choices someone made about the people they associated with? Never underestimate how important your associations are for guiding you and helping you along the road of life. Attitude can often play a more important part in someone's success than aptitude. It's not always the ability that wins the day. Sometimes it's determination and outlook that makes all the difference. You see, if you spend your time around people who are not successful, well then guess what? The odds are you will not be successful either. But if you surround yourself with people who truly have the desire to succeed, well then you will succeed too, right along with them. Like the computer, the human brain makes decisions based upon what is printed on its memory files. Suppose you bought a used computer and found that it had been programmed with nothing but negative information in its memory banks. Would you throw it away as useless, or would you reprogram it with those things that were essential to your own ideas and purposes? Maybe you were raised in a negative environment with little chance of ever breaking free from the bad influences of your life. That doesn't mean you can't turn the tide and reverse everything for your future. It starts with a commitment to do whatever it takes to bring your life into line with the principles of success and achievement you want. Learning to set goals and work at them with definite purpose and commitment can turn you 180 degrees in the opposite direction. A big part of this can include making a change in the people you hang out with. If those around you are not encouraging you and influencing you in a positive way, it may be time to consider who at the dealership you should hang out with. Will this be easy? Of course not. If it were, then everyone would want to do it. It takes courage to go against the tide, and it is easy to get caught up in the current of things and people that are going the wrong way. So again, hang out with successful people and you too will be successful. Good luck, have fun, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.